Apple by far is the biggest company around. Actively, today, they have well over 1 billion active iPhones being used each and every single day. Do you know how to take better pictures on your iPhone? Hey, welcome. I'm Ben. And always remember, another video, another new learning opportunity. The first tip I have is using your back camera rather than your front-facing camera to take those pictures on your iPhone. The front-facing camera is slightly less quality than any of the back cameras that you have on your iPhone. So I recommend at any given time, if you're taking photos and you have the opportunity to use your back camera rather than your front-facing camera, do it. The camera quality is 1,000 times better. The next pointer is gonna be kind of a fun one. So I want you to take your phone, and wherever you think you're gonna take the picture, hold your phone open with the camera app so you can see yourself or whoever you're taking a picture of. Spin a 360 around and see where the most flattering light is that falls on your subject, that falls on the people that you're taking pictures of. A lot of people don't take the extra 5 seconds that it'll take this to do it, and it is such a huge difference maker. Believe me. Last one, now hang on with me, is there's this fancy thing that's in cameras and somehow in your phone. It's called the exposure compensation dial. That sounds a lot fancier than it actually is, but it is this dial that you're able to add into your phone camera in the settings. You're able to click on the exposure dial and adjust your photo how you want it, whether you want it a little brighter or a little darker. So use that to your advantage. If your photos that you're seeing are coming out super bright, that may be the problem. You might just need to turn down that exposure dial down a little bit and then start taking more photos. If you learned anything new in this video, let me know down in the comments below. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.